Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and today I'm going to show you how to add a custom colour to text in GIMP. What do I mean by a custom colour? Well, sometimes it's nice to pick a specific colour from an image to use as the text. This can be especially good for things like branding. Picking the colour is easy enough, just click on the picker tool. You'll see that once you've done that, it appears as your foreground colour. If you go into the text tool and colours though, your picked colour doesn't appear. Another step is needed first. Click on the foreground colour and in the pop-up, click on the right arrow beside the colour that you've just picked. This will add the colour to the temporary palette of colours, or as they call it, the colour history. Now, when you go into text colours, you can select it as normal. For more GIMP videos, click here. Thank you for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you next time.